That high school campus is 80 to 100 times more potent than morphine. The Drug Enforcement Administration says fentanyl is found in all 50 states and is growing in popularity because it's cheap and highly addictive. Reporter Jacinta Render spoke to those working to end drug addiction about the dangers of fentanyl and the harm it causes. Jacinta.
Advocates say knowing fentanyl is in vapes is scary. Research shows 1 out of 5 high school students use some type of e-cigarette, and they say parents should be concerned. On Tuesday, a 17-year-old at Sequoia High School was taken into custody. Monroe County deputies say the student brought a vape pen laced with fentanyl.
Well, to me, it's very alarming because we know how deadly and dangerous fentanyl can be.
Karen Pershing at the Metro Drug Coalition says fentanyl has been in East Tennessee for some time.
In fact, it's the leading most common drug that we're seeing in overdose deaths now.
The Tennessee Department of Health says in 2020, over 2,000 people died of an overdose using a drug with fentanyl.
Basically, fentanyl is being laced in a lot of street drugs right now. So it could be laced in marijuana.
It does not take much for it to be fatal. Research by the Drug Enforcement Administration says a deadly dose of fentanyl is small enough to fit on the tip of a pencil.
And that's why it's important that people carry Narcan.
Narcan is used to reverse the life-threatening effects of overdoses. Monroe County deputies say the vape brought by that student exposed 3 people to the substance, 2 campus officers and a nurse. They were given Narcan and taken to the hospital as precaution. Pershing warns parents these vapes can contain more than just nicotine.
You don't know what's out there. And these kids may be getting these devices from various sources.
The Tennessee Bureau of Investigation says law enforcement works to keep fentanyl off of the streets and works with agencies to educate the public about how dangerous this substance is. Beth?
All right, Jacinta, thank you. And if you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, there are places you can go for help. The number for the Tennessee Red Line is on your screen now. You can also reach out to the Metro Drug Coalition in Knoxville.